Well, here we go again, trying to locate geopathic energies around trees that might have a tendency to kill them or make them sick. I use these dowsing rods in order to detect geopathic energies, and well, we're going to give them a try. So let's see. Open up all the way. So this is a clear sign of something being detected. So we're going to keep walking, and you see that the dowsing rods maintain the same opened up position, and then they close right here. So that means that the area that we just detected, it's got approximately, if I count how many feet wide this geopathic zone is. The geopathic zone detected is approximately 20 feet wide, which is incredibly big, wide in my experience, and everything located between this geopathic line will be affected, possibly destroyed. So I'm pretty sure that whatever is under here is related to geological fault, because when we try to detect geopathic energies, what we usually do, we have a very special language in order to know for sure the meaning of the dowsing rod moving in a very specific way. So in this case, the rod opened up all the way to the side, which means that we are detecting an invisible wall of energy located underground that has a tendency to rise up to the surface, creating in its path chaos and destruction. Sometimes, not always, sometimes we are lucky enough to see cracks on the surface, like in this case, which is very rare, because if we have like concrete or cement on this surface, I mean it is very difficult to know for sure, unless we have a lot of experience detecting these energies. So in this particular toxic area, we see cracks all over the place, all over the surface. This is a pretty bad sign. So let me go to the first bed, seat tree located, and let's have a look. So this is one tree over here. it is completely dried up and sick, already dead. Kind of a tall eucalyptus or gum tree, as they call them here in Australia. Now, in the same line of sight as this tree, we see another one, let's say downstream, which is also in the same very bad, sick, dried up and dead condition, which is a clear sign that this geopathic energy line is very toxic indeed. So let's have a look at the other tree downstream. Cracks on the surface and all over the place. You know, it's the dead tree. Another one. Many ways to locate and identify geopathic energies, especially the ones that have a very harmful effect on living matter, especially trees. So this one is also, or used to be, a pretty tall tree. Now it's already dead, right up. Of course, this doesn't happen overnight. It takes a few months and even years for a geopathic toxic energy like this to kill a tree. And if I use my dowsing rods around this tree, we will notice that within the toxic range of this tree, the rods open up. As soon as we leave the geopathic zone, the rods go back to their normal parallel position, which is approximately this. We double back to the tree, then again we see the rods opening up again. Rods are still opened up all the way. Now they close because we've left the geopathic zone. So have a look at the other tree. It's directly in the line of sight of the other one, right over here.